God, which kind of English is that?
As a boy don't call.
Broda Copa, I carry a first for school. What? You carry the first for school? I carry a first for school. It's not lie. It's me na carry first.
It's you now waiting.
It's me na carry first.
How, Chim?
It's me teaching the assignment. Shake pays and carry first.
It's you.
What's up, my good people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and I'm back again with another episode of my comedy reaction. Please watch to the very end because this one, trust me, is the best you've ever seen. So make sure you watch it to the very end and drop nice comments. It is very important to me. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
I don't mind this while I chase my own.
Hey!
Christ of Nazareth.
Bass out!
I'm not hungry. Yeah, but I want to eat. So go and tell them I want to eat. Go now. La 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 la. Ah, Danny. And that's how I tell you that I want to eat rice.
Hold up. Why should not do your body?
This small guy no get sense.
We get out of my sight.
God, I beg.
Let me see they see that time.
Why you do like this? You make my wife now go trade Bitcoin with another company. Why?
Leave me alone.
Number one.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Today, me you go put one left for one trouser. You don't hear me so?
What's going on here?
Yeah, my wife, we don't
What's
trade
up?
our Bitcoin since we take her coins for like 2 years now. No issue. They never rip me because they're fast and reliable and trusted. You should know the day. Now you don't carry my wife to go trade with Abule coin now. They don't rip them. They don't scam them. Now all my money don't go. You don't hear me so? Today, me you go die here. Today, me you go put one left for one trouser. You don't hear me so?
Brother, don't tear. Leave me.
Hey! If you don't give me my money, you must give me my money. You don't hear me? You must give me my money.
There they go before you go feel yourself.
Oh!
I talk him.
Broda Copa, go afternoon. That brother will get died. I can't tell him.
Mazi, what is wrong in you?
What is wrong in you?
Oh my God, which kind of English is that?
Can you
As a
imagine?
boy don't call.
Broda Copa, I carry a first for school. What? You carry the first for school? I carry a first for school. It's not lie. It's me na carry first.
It's you now waiting.
It's me na carry first.
How, Chim?
It's me teaching the assignment. Shake pays and carry first.
It's you is teaching how to carry first for school. How now they take carry first with all this kind of English on this?
I wonder. It's not it's me na carry first, because I came first in class. Come, you stop to push me.
Yes?
Who are you? Copa, no be by English, oh. Me is intelligent, oh. Intelligent, my foot.
Jesus.
Okay, you is intelligent, Abi. Make I embarrass you now. As na small pikin won't make it begin to embarrass you. Make I embarrass you now. Kaima, what is 2 plus 2? Show you teach him a lesson.
Let's have it.
4.
Okay.
What is 3 plus 2? Teach this boy a lesson.
6. Yeah, he's correct.
What is 4 plus 4? I want you to teach this boy a lesson.
8. He's correct.
9 times 9.
81. 81, how did you do it?
35 times 2.
70.
789 times 4, 56.
359784.
Oh, wow. The pressure is going to check out.
He's correct.
745 divided by 8.
92 plus 125. Come by this one, no book.
Oh, wow.
God have mercy upon
Let me
us.
just speak English.
She's in a play.
Who is the president of Nigeria?
So we shall. Happy.
President Agkaay.
Do you understand my kingness?
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Okay, wait. If I have 5 apples and I give her 2 apples, how many apples will you make?
But I don't eat apple.
Hey.
I don't eat apple.
I don't eat
Bananas, strawberries, watermelon, pineapple.
How, Chim?
I just want to come.
Tell me the English.
She's in
What
Africa.
about
Tell me the
English?
English.
I swear down.
Songo, Sabi speak English. Songo intelligent too. Now why all of them they go podcast?
You can spend up to like 20 million a week. You can go through my legs. You can go through anywhere.
My son,
Oh, my son, going to where they go to podcast.
what brings you to the shrine of great Igbudu?
But I don't to suffer for this life. Right from when I small, reach this age, suffer. It don't tire me. And my mother tell me say, when they born me, my father abandoned me for village, go Lagos.
Now your head correct.
That man don't do Lagos over all these years. You know, because they make it check up me, that's how they do. That man don't leave me for village. I think they suffer. But it not too much. I don't first rich. I won't kill that man. I won't make him kill him, make him die.
I'm telling you. Are you sure of what you're asking, my son?
Yes, Baba, kill him. You know they used to me, kill him.
You want to kill your father that you did not know?
Yes.
There is no going back. Osulao, Igbudu, Erimeri Bialam. Okirikiri kana buko sana ari enu. Botumbo can hage mere nwa. What do we do for him? Osula. I will invoke the spirit of your father. Anybody you see in this mirror, you pick up this knife and stab.
Hey!
You don't know what is going on. We are making money. You are sleeping. You don't know what is going on.
Now my father be.
That is your father.
Because I know before, I for worship this ball.
Pick the knife and stab him.
Oh, yeah. Oluwa, again. Joy is come. Joy is come.
And I said, pick the knife and stab him.
Joy is come. Nice, man.
Igbudu cannot be kept waiting. Pick this knife and stab. You are changing dance moves.
Baba no dey hear again. Not even listen to him again.
I could have killed a lot.
If you harm my father, I will harm you. Is mad? What do I do? If you harm my father, I'll go to eat tonight, the man. I'll go find her for Lagos. Leave her for me.
Money na water is gone.
Just calm down, man. Yeah. Okay, no wahala. Little baby.
I'm trying to see. You know, I need to go. Baba, this year I need a deal on call. All transactions are face to face. Now, face how they work. Bring work come, how you be?
Nduka, see this my friend. In Broda, the outside country. One send them $1,000. They carry processing paper, carry computer for outside country. But the problem is saying only OPay when you get. So now I can't come. I know say you get all the country hazard.
Alpha bring transaction come active.
You sure say this person is reliable?
Be the best Azama for this community.
You say this country hard though.
Baba, listen to me. Country has so even skin to skin, they sweet again. Bring work come.
May you put account number here.
Country hard, even.
Which country in the
US.
That means na dollar account.
Dollar.
Take.
That's $1,000.
$1,000, so. Baba, put account here. I don't want all your OPay.
I don't owe your OPay.
I'm my okay now.
Put that OPay.
Confirm am.
You will carry 30%.
I never see any alert.
Oga see debit.
And they see debit here, but I know they see alert here.
Baba, if you see debit, you go see credit. No worry, sit down and wait. Now my house be this.
You sure say this person is reliable now?
Baba, everybody knows that here they stay. See my house, my property there inside. Just sit down and wait.
Just sit down. No, sit down.
Baba, I will see debit to confirm credit. No stress, baby, now.
Just the refresher.
The refresher, but I never see alert.
Refresher,
You don't know how they go. They have left.
He said, yeah, you see.
They don't do you, Baba. They don't Ubi Franklin you. They don't scam you.
A few moments later.
How did all this start? How did I find myself in this situation?
Don't scam you, Baba.
How? God.
I never see a lot. Which kind of transaction with this?
Start the play.
10 years later.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
10 years later, you still dey wait. And your phone no die.
This is 2034. The transaction why I do this 2025. I never still get a lot. As a man, don't rip me, oh. Hi.
As they rip you, they go, make they rip you, they go.
Na high level repeat. Nduka can't do this.
But still, what happened?
My babe was supposed to take me out today, but she left the country with her family, and I don't know when she's coming back.
Alright, don't feel bad. Just get ready, let me take you out.
Are you serious?
Dougie told me he been on some positive shit.
Hey, where this I can take my gift card and Bitcoin?
I've told you, have you forgotten? If you're looking for the fast and reliable place to trade your Bitcoin and gift card, visit ablxtrade.com, or you can even download the app on Play Store.
Mado, when we get update too. I'll see you later now.
Come here, wait in the water, you. Green body make I roll, come here.
Some people don't know me.
Like the way she work.
Still give am opo. Give am opo. Still dey give am money.
Bestie, hold this for me.
Sure, it's nothing. Just call me whenever you need me.
Ah, bestie, thank you.
That's
I don't get any bestie like that.
Baby, now, why are you standing here?
I have nothing.
Hey, you look very fine. Only Abu, Wallahi, I'm banned.
Jesus.
License Yazoo. They have given me my first license going Wallahi. And don't want to shake it. Any hoodlum that is going to come and talk to you. Wallahi, say na ime haka now.
Jesus.
Jesus. A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim.
Don't die, my fans.
You know that already now.
You're not pursuing me.
Me pursue you? Eh? Instead of you to click the link on my bio and get sure match prediction so that you have the money to buy phone for yourself. You're stealing my phone. Don't worry. Now you and my bag will settle.
See, you don't want to play with me, Abby. You're threatening me.
What's your problem?
Don't worry.
What's in your mind? They can't say they do.
I'll report you to my daddy.
Jesus.
So you're the one that don't want to play with my son? Me? Eh? I'm going to play with him.
Oh yeah, pursue him. I want to play with him. Go play with him. I want to play with him now.
Leave the job. So this is how you come to school, you will not swim.
I didn't come to swim. I came to chill.
Let's swim, Joe. I'll teach you.
No.
Your chakra is too much. Hey, that's how you be touching me after you say you don't like me now.
Hey, I don't like you.
You say lie, you like me. You like me plenty. I
You know you have fun to be around. Like.
Why do you think they call me lively?
And me, I only keep male friends.
But that's not what I'm asking you. How do you don't spoil? They spoil work. You spoil work. See, like, do you like me? Like me?
I like you. I like you as a person, Sha.
You're hearing this rubbish. You like me as a person. Why don't you cuckoo like me as a goat? Why don't you like me as an onion?
Yeah, Anita. What will be your problem? So now because of that your useless boyfriend, I make you come outside. I don't tell you, break up with this boy. I don't know what they say they do with this boy. Yo.
Break up with this boy. I too love him. I too love first balls.
Okay, make I ask you. And sing day like that, and that your useless boyfriend now. If he give you 100,000, if you call him
my boyfriend like that, waiting be 100K, my boyfriend no fit keep. Waiting be 100K.
Anita, baby.
Baby girl, what's up now?
How you been?
I'm fine. Good afternoon. How have you been now?
Babe, I need financial assistance.
You need financial, like money?
Yes, like 100K.
Yeah. 100,000 naira, Anita.
But you know I'm not working. Now, where am I going to get 100,000 to give to you?
Festus, you cannot give me 100,000 naira.
You said the rubbish way they did. The rubbish way they did. Come on, 100,000, if not fit of that. Shame no they catch you to call this fool your Jesus.
What's the noise all about?
Daddy, good afternoon.
Anita, your mother has been looking for you now.
Yeah, I'll
Please, she needs your help, eh?
Okay.
Go in and see her. I want to go and see somebody, eh?
Okay.
Is that not Mazi Ukebu's son?
Good afternoon, sir.
Festus.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You're a big man now. High school.
School is fine, sir.
I was calling your father. I'm supposed to go and see him now, safe, eh? Hope he's at home.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm going to see him now, eh? I see you're getting along. That's my daughter. Hi, Fanta, Abi.
Yes,
how are
sir.
you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good to see you, eh? Let me go and see Mazi Ukebu. Go and meet your mother. She's looking for you, eh?
Sir, please, please, can you excuse me, please? Okay. Sir, please, I need your help. There is this challenge I'm having in school. I want to buy one textbook and I need 10,000 naira urgently. I don't know if you can help me.
10,000?
Yes, sir.
Dibin, you have told me this earlier. I would have given it to you. You're like a godson to me now. I'm going to get a baptism now. Hey, my pocket, even this Hamatan, I think it started from here and there's nothing here. Hey?
Let's have it.
Even if I'm going to see Seth, I want to go and borrow some money from him.
Hey, sir, wait. You say you won't go meet my papa and borrow you money?
I want to just get some money from him.
Wait, I better shut up me you're picking here. You say I'm going to borrow money from my papa?
Not really. I want to just get some funds for him.
Oh, Anita! Shall you see the rubbish we born you? Shall you see the rubbish we born you?
Hey! I want you room okoro.
So, your papa won't go borrow money from your boyfriend, papa?
Oh! This life.
Too easy.
Nonsense girls, those guys they do. Whenever your papa no get, you want me guy they give you. Nonsense and inconsequential.
Good day, sir. Good day. Sir, I'm sorry to bother you this morning.
No problem.
If you take a very good look at me, sir, you will see that I'm not a beggar. From head to toe, you can see that. But, sir, I need your help. My wife just put to bed triplets.
Okay.
As I talk to you now, I'm looking for money to discharge them from the hospital because the government is threatening to take the family away from me if I cannot cater for them. So any amount you help me with, I will really appreciate, sir. Please, sir.
This is a very dire situation. You know how difficult the economy is right now.
Yes.
But let me see what I can do. Just give me your account number.
06
90. Is it this?
Yes.
I just sent you 100,000.
Jesus. It's okay.
No. It's okay. Please don't cause a scene here. It's okay. All will be well. It's okay.
God bless you, sir.
Amen.
God will honor you.
Babe, what's up?
I'm fine. I checked. That lube and protection you asked me to get that particular brand.
Yeah.
It's finished.
That's my favorite lube. But don't worry now. I can let's improvise now. Even if it spits, you can take it. Don't worry, I'll put that fast.
Yeah, I'm scared though.
Trust me now. It's not something I've been doing since.
This is.
You go to trust woman.
Is this the school I sent you to?
But I'm in school.
Wait, who is he?
That's my brother.
How, Chim? Is it the one sponsoring you to that private university?
Yes.
But I just...
You see, with the kind of money I spend on you for your education, this is the kind of boys you follow. You have to be patient, be patient, so that when you graduate, you'll marry somebody responsible. Get up for that car.
No. My lord, let's not get into this, please.
You must be mad.
Wait. My lord, please, we can talk about this.
If I'm looking for in-law, I know the kind of in-laws I will look for. You are mad. Go to the car fast.
My lord, please, we can talk about this, please.
Oh boy, if you're not careful, I will refund you. Yeah? I will refund you the money you sent to me if you're not careful.
Can you imagine?
Be very careful with me.
Can you imagine? See?
See, can we beg her to drive? Now, wow, you give us no take time.
Can you imagine? See the way you drive. And it's a bag. Hey, God. Wale will shoot. But I get one.
God, what did they happen for here? You carry Kana come this house? Child! One, woman, female, you carry Kana from your house. When they smoke for here. Oh! Others they check better babe, Mage Bru dealer. Others they get better girlfriend, Mage Bru Kana shop vlog. I remember more, set today for my father, they smoke. Party. You know, I'm gonna we every year don't they clouded. Hey, I can't even see my properties.
Hey.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up, Jesus! Come! Jesus! Hey, can I need the rice? Did you went to my boss?
Babe, I was hungry now. I tell you to eat. Can't I eat?
Rice why I cook since 25th. Why you small they talk, make you not finish quick. Now you smoke and I finish, go carry them at once. Cause now me give you what you smoke. Oh man, we ain't gonna. Stand up, come there, go.
Babe, calm down now. Give me 300k to replace those stuff.
They go upset?
Yes, I'll give you 300k. It's nothing. Just stop.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I don't think you want to call the beg every time.
Hope you have a Bitcoin wallet because I want to send it through Bitcoin.
Yes, now I have a Bitcoin wallet.
And do you also know where you can trade it?
Let's have it. And before you go exchange is very active. A trusted crypto company where you can trade your BTC, USDT, gift card, everything digital assets. They are fast and reliable.
Okay.
Let me paste you my wallet. Sent.
I just sent it now.
See no. Receive with thanks. Can that smoke up? Light up. Nothing to happen. Got that day. Oh my dealer. Oh my dealer. Sure you know say if I carry you go scan, they find out say something don't do your liver or your kidney. I go leave you. I kid you not.
Mommy, my body don't check.
Tell him just now. Tell him.
Osato, no attends. Osato, where you come from?
Na Shiloh.
Shiloh, where you go for early December? Which month were they so?
January.
2025. Saturday return from Shiloh, where you go for early December for late January. Where you they come from?
No, na Shiloh I go. Na Shiloh.
So how far? Pack all this is one back for her. And me buy this is for you.
Pluto.
No wahala. Then they carry this guy to go Shiloh. How far? No wahala. Now how far? I take your phone and me buy him. Put the this thing pull and. Pull on. Sharp. How far? Hold my head.
No be you buy this head now.
Okay, now me buy the wig.
Not be you.
Now Shiloh wig I been a shift wig. No wahala. Now if you move. How far? Shift of staff they go your house.
Pluto!
Was I done with this up now?
What's going on here? Yes.
All right, Mr. Pluto, you have to accompany us to the office.
Sato, so you go bring many red.
As you collect everything when I get, you say make I start from square one. Then go collect everything when you get. Make we start from scratch together.
How? You know me, I will point and I found us that they do now.
Yes, just the same way you know believe saying that Shiloh should go. Okay, follow me.
Oh, for body, Kiriku, big wahala, Kiriku, innocent face, Kiriku, but na big trouble, Kiriku.
I'll do you the fair.
Oh, small boys, how are you?
Small boys.
What's going on here?
Oh, okay, I'm actually looking for Alex. Is he at home?
Because you look for Alex, you the bandit at Pessias.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what, babe? Babe, how are you?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my love. How are you?
We're actually having a conversation.
What kind of conversation will you be? Why are you having a conversation with them?
We have what the Balo's go, Jerry.
This man!
How can you know mother be this?
Babe, what are they talking about?
Will you leave this small boys? They talk anyhow. I'm sorry, they talk anyhow. They talk out of proportion. Stop that. Don't listen to them.
Okay.
No, baby, don't listen to them.
You know where they go here.
Oga, Mountain Dory show.
May month finish you for them. Every time month they end. 1st of every month don't end. 1st of July month don't end. And yeah, your salary go pay.
Very wicked man. I feel black.
This man, Titi West. Lappy Asara, you the big girl commerce. Last year, she get a cosa. Just leave on, you leave on, like 10.
No pay them again. I don't need them.
Oh, for body, Kiriku, big wahala, Kiriku, innocent face, Kiriku, but na big trouble, Kiriku, small for body, Kiriku, big balava, Kiriku, I say wait till you get, Kiriku, if you trouble, uncle.
Who play?
Who you look for?
I dey look for Alex.
What's going on here?
Because she defend you. No, it would. No put gate at the come up. No open our
Big wahala, Kiriku, innocent face, Kiriku, but na big trouble, Kiriku, small for body, Kiriku, big balava,
What's happening? Don't they knock anyhow?
See, shut now. Please sit that side away for you.
Who be that?
I want you.
Yes.
He short.
Yes.
Fat.
Yes.
Fair.
Yes.
Class are not there.
If I do that, you need to pay us our salary.
Jesus! Now that's him account.
Yes.
No do. See ya. Tell us I'm not there. Go.
For that pena.
God have mercy upon us.
Mother, Alex not there, so.
Alex supposed to house now. Alex not they go work today.
I don't know.
Your brother not they talk.
Jesus.
Now China they speak.
China.
She call her.
What be this?
What can you speak?
That other teacher the night fit a pass here.
10,000 is too much now.
Yes.
Okay, let me give you guys 5,000.
Oh, see tole. See tole.
He said waiting.
He say he believe because you know they like price.
No problem. I think this is more than 10,000. Can I come in now?
If you pass.
What be this? What be this? God have mercy upon us.
I'm a wicked man, and I won't really show you see I'm a wicked person. And that time you go dey regret your life, you go cry at the end of the last comment of a fool. To say I know before, I for listen to advice.
I'm talking to
Alex, so you are at home.
Yes.
This is not.
I've been calling you. You're not taking my call. So you're at home. Before you bathe me, who was this?
That's for my mother of children.
This man.
It's for your mother. Alex, hope you know what I'm thinking.
Baby, it's not what you're thinking.
Jesus!
Kiriku! You go cry at the end of the last comment of the fool.
Yes.
Fear, I pour you spit. I will pour spit for your face.
This guy is massive. This guy is massive. I don't even understand them. I believe you enjoyed it, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Make sure to check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel, and you can as well drop your best moment of the video in the comment section. You feel me? Drop it in the comment section, and please subscribe if you're yet to do that, and share my video. It is very, very necessary. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.